Hi everyone, welcome to my new video series, Genealogy Source Citation Templates in Action. In this video, we'll talk about how to create genealogy citation templates. I'm Lisa Stokes, the creator of the e-course Genealogy Source Citation Simplified, and I'm glad that you're here with me today to learn a little bit more about citations. So the specific goals for the video are creating a master template, collecting templates, and ideas for using templates. Here's my master citation template. I use a color coding system to help my students remember the elements. So red is who created the source, orange is what is the source, yellow's when it was created, the lighter green is where it was created, and the darker green is the entry details. And that's the first part of the citation, all about the source. The second section starts with the researcher's description in the lighter blue. In the darker blue, we have where the source is located, such as the repository or the website where the source can be found. And then the purple is the where in the repository or the website. The pink is if there's any citing information needed. So you can create your own master template. Once you decide on your master template, you can use it to develop your record type master templates. Then you would use the record type template master to create unique source citations every time you run into a new source. So as you create each unique source citation, I do that in my research log. You could also do it in a report or something if you had a project going like that. And then from the research log, I place the citations in the report, the family group sheets, or the document file. Oftentimes I use the same citation in multiple projects. So having a central location in the research log is essential. You can collect your templates into a spreadsheet like this one. This is an Excel spreadsheet. You could also collect your templates on a Word document. I keep my record type template bank in a Google Drive on a spreadsheet. And the reason I do that is because I share it with my students. And so I want them to be able to have up-to-the-minute updates for my citation template because I'm always finding ways to improve it. So here is my tab for census records. You can see here at the bottom. And if you scroll through, you can see that I have a template for each census year in the US. I also have a column over here that gives the official census date. I really feel like that's helpful to have that to reference. Here are some citations for birth sources. And as you can see, I have them formulated according to record type. And then the repository or the format, I do customize a lot of ancestry and family search citations, but I have citations that are more generic as well. So let's go over the template process. First, you're going to copy the template from your bank into your research log, and then you're going to study the source and make judgments about the source. And then you're going to adjust that template as needed for each source. This is really important that you don't use templates as the end-all be-all, but that you use them as a starting point. And once you've examined that source, you can adjust the template to meet the needs of that source. Let me just share a few of my fill-in conventions. These are just some ideas, things that I use. So inside of brackets, you're going to replace everything, including the bracket. If you see a /, you're going to choose one of the terms and you're going to erase the others. And you're also going to erase the /. I often use a series of X's. So the X's should be replaced with numbers or URL information. Oftentimes, for ease of use, I just leave an empty space in my template. You would fill in the empty space by placing your cursor right next to the punctuation there. And in this case, we would add in the dwelling number, put in our cursor, add in the family number. I also put the word template in parentheses at the beginning of each citation template. And I leave this in there until the citation is completely adjusted. And then I double check the citation, and then I will remove the word template in parentheses. That is my clue that the citation is finished. I've been interrupted more than once, and so having a way to know whether the citation is completely finished or not is very important. So let's look at an example. I will add this link to the notes for the video, and you can follow along if you are interested. I've already gathered the information from the source. I've examined it thoroughly and found all the information that I needed, and then I can plop each item into the citation. So to start off with, we're going to highlight the county where it says county name, and we're going to type in Barry. The word county is already there for us. We want to add the state, which is Michigan. The title of this was birth record, and so we're going to get rid of register, and you're also going to erase the forward slash. Oops, let's get rid of this. It was found in volume A. We can put book A, or we can go ahead and change it to volume if we want. Going to add in the page number. Well, you can highlight or backspace. So it's page 18, line 1. Then we're going to fill in the name, which was William. I like to put it exactly how it is in the source. William A. Mullen, and his date of birth was 9 June 1867. In my style guide, I've chosen to do 3-letter months. So we're going to leave that there. Then he was born specifically in Prairieville. Then we have that this is digitized microfilm images at Family Search. If we wanted to, we could add in the URL down here and put that in place of the generic URL. Then we can change the access date as needed. We can add in the film number. And then it's item 1, which isn't always completely necessary if it is the first item, but it's helpful sometimes. Okay, but if it is a second or third item, be sure to always include the item number on that film. So we have image 56. Okay, so our citation is finished. I just wanted to cover another way you could build your citations, and this is a highlighting option, is to remove the brackets, and then you can double click to highlight. Again, this depends on where you are building your citation, whether you are in Word or Google or in a spreadsheet of some sort. But if you have it all one word, like you could do county -name or county name, and then when you click on that, it highlights the whole thing, and then you could type in Barry. So that's just another idea on how you can make it quick and easy to use templates. Here's what the template looks like with the ARC URL in there. When students enroll in my course, they receive continued access to my entire template bank. So if you are interested in that, you could check out my course. If you would like to build your own template bank, I have a free guide for you. Just follow the link below in the video description. This is what it looks like. Gives you an outline. You can adjust it any way you like. These templates give you some starting points. You could take those, copy them, and adjust them. And at the bottom, I have a link to access this as a Google Doc file. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to learn more about genealogy source citations, please visit my website and my blog. There are links below in the video notes. And don't forget to subscribe and watch the other videos on my YouTube channel. I'll see you again soon.